Alright, now I got, as you can see, my temperature is really high. I've got it's cool going through my radiators right now. And the other part of it is, fans kick in. Yeah, finally the fans kicked in. She was already hot. Cause it's sitting really hot right now. Whoa. Even the fan's shut down. Why? I got no heat right now, which means either I got there's a clogged heater core, or my freaking thermostat is not opening up. And I still got plenty of freaking white smoke back here. Fan's still not kicking in. That radiator hose, the thermostat still is not opening. So I've got more. We got more than just. Okay, there goes the fan. Problem is, this is not opening. Ugh. Thermostat is not opening. And I don't have any heat at all. Ugh. None. So, by the time to shut her down anyway. See, I still got lots of white smoke. But I got a radiator problem right now. She's really hot. I do not have any heat in here at all. Great. Keep running it to cool it. Fan shit. Trying to keep that cool. No. Still got no heat. I still got no heat in here. So I got no fluid running through the system. So I got to deal with that. All that bites. Oh man, knew it. We should have got that radiator. Taking that ding out of there. Way too hot. Ah, man. There's no circulation. That's the problem. Even the heater core, even the lower. Where are you? Even the lower radiator hose is still cold, and this thing's just cooking. It means that thermostat's stuck. Oh, so I gotta do that. Gotta get that thermostat. Oh, and motor's just a cooking. That thermostat. Dang it. With a stuck thermostat, you're not going to get any fluid into your engine, and that's what's causing this whole mess. That thermostat stuck. Jesus. Not much I can do. Really can't roll cold water on it. Not a good idea. Oh man. Try and roll cold air through the radiator cap, and it's definitely pulled some of it back down inside. And we're open here, but we're not open into the cylinder block. So she's definitely used quite a bit of antifreeze. Put some more in. I just went to the parts store and I just got my everything I need. I went ahead and brought a new thermostat. So this is going to be a basic of how to place your thermostat. Hardest part's going to be getting that thing bled. So your thermostat, it's going to be, that was $8 for the thermostat. Some thermostats come with the O-ring already installed. What did I just do with the, I had the old thermostat right here. Comes with a gasket around the outside. Well, this brand doesn't. So you're gonna have to, they're gonna give you a separate gasket for that. And I always use Permatex. Sometimes they just recommend that you just put the gasket on there and don't worry about it. But I always like to use the Ultra Blue on that. So, and I got a new thing of antifreeze that you're gonna mix. You're gonna mix water with it. Add your water. I don't buy the pre-mixed stuff because I don't believe in having to pay the same price for a full thing of antifreeze, which you're going to split 50-50 anyway with water. Now you've, like buying 2 gallons of premix for the price of 1. Anyway, so that's just I'm just saying. So there we go. Let's get this back in here. I already took my wire brush and I cleaned the surface on that. It feels pretty smooth. Let's get this puppy in. They don't well, here's the old thermostat. And like I said, remember about the seal? So this has got a seal already on it. I'm going to use this one. I prefer the other one. I'll use the other gasket for something down the road. But this also has got a little lip on it. And as you can see inside your tube here, it has an indentation for that. So it just sits right in there and locks. And they just, whoever had it, also used blue Permatex on it, so I'll just take the old stuff off of it. What it does is slides. It's got little grooves right here, so it slides right inside that. Locks around that so nicely. I prefer this. Now remember, when you're putting these in, you got to remember when you took the other one out, just keep a mental note as to which way the spring, this spring here, because that's got your temperature bulb right here. So always put the spring in the manifold. can use the old gasket if it's in good shape. There's no cracks or it's lost its stretchability. And I'm having an issue here getting this one back on. Okay. And even though you does have a seal and everything, just make sure it's all on here. And I'm still going to use some blue on it. Okay, so you see I got that on there nice now. And then this one's gonna right on there, making sure that your bulb is facing inside the manifold. Actually, it has two, doesn't it? Okay, so this does have, it's got two little bumps. So I've got the O-ring backwards, of course.